Hello, hello, hello. Oh, there we go. Cool. What is going on, guys? What's going on? What is happening? Can we see the buy limits? Yep. There we go. Cool. We can see the buy limits. We're good. Everybody's good. Let's go. We're here. What's going on, guys? Good night, guys. Good night. Good night in like the good morning way, though, not the good night as in like I'm leaving way. Good night as in hello. It's nighttime. Tomorrow's CPI 1 day past. Tomorrow's not CPI. What? Are you guys okay? Tomorrow's not CPI. What do you get? Where are you guys getting this from? Are you guys insane? Tomorrow's PCE price index 830 PCE. Guys, by the way, I have long limits right here. Right here, they're about to get filled. They're about to get filled. It's about to happen. So these are my 2 limits that I have. Trading evals here. I picked up some more evals. I had 20 Apex PAs. I ended up losing 5 of them to a fucking technical difficulty because I left an order open. So I got fucked over. I left an order open, lost 5 of my evals, so I reloaded 5 evals back up. So I'm copy trading those 5 to pass them here right now. See if we can get these passed with one of these trades here. Yeah, I'm trying to long. Good morning here from Syria. What's good, bro? Yo, awesome. You are. I'm not even gonna repeat what I want to say to you on here, bruv. To be honest. How to use Apex for copy trading? You use the Tradeovate built-in copy trade feature, bro. The Tradeovate built-in copy trade feature. It's pretty easy. So I got all 20. Oh, well, I got 5 today, basically for free. If you guys you guys see the fucking big ass banner up there, 90% off on all Apex evals right now. 90% off and $80 activations, which is pretty wild. $80 activations for 50 and 150, and then it's $37 for 250 and 300. Pretty insane in the membrane. How many accounts can Tradeovate take? Well, I don't think there's a limit really, but I do 20 accounts. How many tick SL? This one is only a 3-point stop loss here. 3-point stop loss on this one. And then the lower one is a 5-point stop loss. Wait, why do I have that at 03? I didn't calculate that correctly, huh? Yeah, 02. Here we go. Is it still 03, bruv? There you go. Okay. Yeah, 3 points here. Why do you like longs off this area? We have a 15-minute fair value gap or 15-minute wick CE here that I'm giving a shot. 4-hour no manipulation leg to the upside. So 15-minute wick CE I'm giving a try. Down here, this one is the 5-minute or 15-minute fair value gap CE. Look, 15-minute fair value gap right here, right at the CE. I'm looking along. So this one is the 15-minute gap CE. Up here is the 15-minute wick. We're about to get tagged into this here. Can I get tagged in, please? Do you trade gold? I am going shorts plus trying to pass a funded account challenge. I'm not trading gold right now, but I do trade gold, yeah. Like I have in the past. I'm just not doing it right now, currently. No way we're like one tick off and it's just not filling. What are we doing here? Come on, buddy. Gotta move on. We have so much low resistance liquidity here that this should like just if this wants to bounce here, this should just fucking shoot straight up. It should just be like a real quick move. We should take out all this low resistance and just go straight up into this unfilled 5-minute. Should be like a pretty quick move. If it's like taking too long or it's slow or whatever, bad sign, bad sign. But I like this so far. I'm a fan. What are we doing here, though? Come on, bro. Like, actually, what are we doing here? Brev. Like brev. Like brev. Yo, one tick? What? What the fuck was that? There's one tick off, bro. No shot, right? No fucking shot. One tick off. Hello. Hello.
Limit.
Whoa, you are really loud, champ. Okay, speak.
We both just got generationally edged.
Yeah, that was bullshit, bro. What the actual fuck?
We literally got Bolshevik.
This shit's fucking turning green.
No, dead arse, dude. Dead arse. Nah, next candle's gonna fill us.
Bro, the candle just flipped red to green, gang. It's about to go back. Yo, gang. Nah.
Dude, it's gonna go to all-time highs.
Nah. Because if this is how my story ends, bro, like it's not gonna be good for bro. This can't be it. This can't be it. I need to get filled. No shot. No chance we go one tick off. I've been screen recording for 2 minutes, bro, with nothing to show for myself. Like, are we serious right now? Nah, I'm not gonna lie. That wasn't the worst idea I've ever heard.
I'm not buying here, bro. 5 points away from my fill. I want my fill. If I wanted 730, I would have bought. That's look.
Oh, yo, hold on. Glico said it's coming back down. We're good. Glico said it's coming back down. We're good.
Glico said it?
Yeah. Glico said it. Yeah. We're good. Because I got worried for a second until Glico said that, and then I was like, all right, that we're good. You actually?
I'm not filling until it hits. I'm not filling until it hits my fucking limit, bro.
I just passed my TPTs.
Business. You're gonna get it. Come on.
You gonna get in my heart. You gonna get in my heart. Dude, it sucks while missing all those offers on firms because of your nationality. Hope they remove Syria out of the block list. Why is Syria on the block list, bro?
My bad.
Like, what?
Spiffy, why is Syria on the ban list, bro?
Like, what, bro? I'm in from 727. 727. Yeah, you don't have a bad entry either.
Dude, it's gonna fill.
This was the thing I asked you. How will you deal with your emotion? I'll be totally fine. I kind of exaggerate things here on stream because it's entertaining and it's funny. But I really don't give a fuck. I'll continue on with my life.
You don't give a fart?
Yo, Mike said you guys pretend you know. You are gamblers. Oh yeah? Well, you are poor. Now what?
Order filled.
Oh, I got filled.
I got filled on
Wait, I
one
got filled.
contract.
I
have
got filled on my
5.
Order
Apex
filled.
account.
Dude,
Wait,
you're
I got filled on one
Alpha?
contract.
Yeah, I got filled on 2. I got filled on 2, bro.
I
Why
got
are they not
filled
doing the
on
same
one.
contract?
Yo, no shot. No
Wait.
shot.
Order
Oh,
filled.
there we go. There we go.
No
There we go.
shot.
Okay.
It still hasn't filled on my alphas.
Order
Bro,
filled.
why
It
do
just
you do
keeps
that?
yo. This is
You said
I'm
around 7, 2,
order filled in my ear,
It
bro.
is. Oh, there we go.
Blowing
oh my
me.
God, I'm
Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Ooh.
All right,
Ooh,
3
that
point.
was
Yo, I got a
definitely good.
3-point stop. I got a 3-point stop. It's so quick. 3-point stop.
I'm not gonna lie, I got a 10-point stop. I was considering the 3-point stop, but then I'm like, what if it sweeps that wick and then runs?
What do you? Nah. I don't. I mean, if it sweeps the wick, that's what I was longing off of was the wick. So if it sweeps the wick, that entry is no longer valid for me. I have a lower limit. 707. That one I like.
Wow.
715.
715. Actually, I saw 715 as well. 715 is not bad. Or
CE of that 5-minute gap.
yeah.
Or
707 is CE of the 15-minute gap. I was low key like in a mental battle with myself which one I should do.
Yo, tell me why this guy commented. I have a feeling it edges us and dumps after it already moved 2 points past our
Guys, by the way, I'm on evals only right now, guys. Just so you guys know, that's why there's 5 there's
on
5
evals only.
minis on this chart and not 1 like I usually do cuz I am in evals only.
I'm in evals only on 30
I'm not on
accounts,
any
and then
evals, guys. I'm not demoing buns like these guys.
I'm on 1 funded account right now, which is the one I'm
shit.
screen sharing.
Oh shit.
One fund
Because
easy.
it's all I know.
This might take me out right here, actually. It's like, there we go, yeah. Okay, it took me out. And then immediate leg up.
All right, I'm gonna go get some fucking apple juice.
Yeah,
Apple
dude, get me
juice,
some too,
Twizzy?
please.
Yeah, hell yeah. Apple juice.
Please get me some too.
That's a bit odd, but okay. Yeah, so, and I really, this is what I was just talking to Shinobi about, guys. I like this, this 711.25. I like this as well because it's the 5-minute gap CE. It's so good. But the issue is, then I got 2 trades like stacked on top of each other. So I'm choosing to basically skip out on this one so that I can take the 50 or 707, which is the 15-minute gap CE. I'm just hoping that the 15-minute gap is going to have like hold a little bit more weight here and we push down into that. Now the 4-hour here, both 4 hours, the last 2 look fairly bullish to me just because there's no upper wicks. Like really not much of a reason for this thing to reject, especially after the candle, the 10 a.m. candle, the way that closed. This should just like pull back, put in the daily wick, and then go higher. There's really no reason for us to be bearish here. Weekly profile also favors a bullish Friday, right? So I am expecting upside tomorrow. But that's like, obviously that's the New York session. Don't really know what it's going to do here in the overnight session. It could do anything really, right? So we're just kind of scoping it out. I'm going to put a level here at this 711. What level is this? 711.25. Okay. I'm going to put a level there. We'll watch it. And we'll see what it does. But I am not really interested in like much else besides that 707 level. I like 707 the best. 707 is the best, I think. Unless you want to enter on... Like, unless you want to enter at the 711 and just hold it with like a 10-point stop loss. Could do that too. How many trades are you taking daily? Like 3 or 4 trades usually. Sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less. NQ gonna drop to 22K? I don't think so. Which brokers do you use for NQ trading? I use Tradeovate and I trade with the Tradeovate is through Apex. That's what I'm on right now. So I have Apex and then I have TPT. Those are the two firms I'm using. Also, guys, for TPT, Take Profit Trader, if you don't know, now you know. Code KEY, it's the first link in the description, by the way. Code KEY, K-E-Y, same code as Apex, will give you 40% off, no activation fee, all the way through September. So, genuinely, I think TPT is like one of the really good firms out right now. The rules are like insane. The rules are pretty fucking insane. So I'm gonna be hammering TPT a lot, bro, this next like week. I just passed the counts today, literally a few minutes ago. So
I can't wait for my car to come in.
oh my god, now you're like all over it because I leaked it because you weren't talking about it before, huh?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Should I leak the car, guys? Should I leak the car?
No, if you leak the car, I'll be kind of annoyed.
Really? But you wouldn't do anything about it because you're just that kind of guy.
I mean, I really wouldn't give a fuck.
All right, so let's leak it right now. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Leak. Go. Now. Leak. Did ICT teach how to top and bottom tick in his mentorship? Bruv.
Dude, I think he wishes he got entries like this.
Everything I learned about top and bottom ticking is like from my own findings and things that some of my friends trade that I've incorporated into the way that I trade. And that's it. I haven't learned anything from ICT himself about top and bottom ticking. Like, I don't really think he teaches that, at least. Yeah, we trade 8:30 and 9:30 open both, actually. If I'm up at 8:30, I'll trade that. If not, then I'll trade like 9:30 around there. I don't discriminate, you know what I mean? I don't discriminate on the time. I have 5 accounts on TBT waiting to get into Pro Plus. Yeah, not bad, bro. Not bad. The Pro Plus, the live accounts I've heard are pretty solid. I think the way to really trade TPT though is you get your accounts, get your funded account, and once you have the funded, you basically just super aggressive, like heavy size, almost full port, if not full port completely into a trade that's an A+ setup, and just get above the buffer and literally just request a payout right away, fucking instant. You know what I'm saying? Like no time wasted at all whatsoever. I think that's like the way that I'm going to be approaching TPT, and will literally just probably rinse them of 10K a day. Pretty fucking simple. Because there's like a, bro, the prop firm shit. It's like a game, you know what I mean? You got to play the game right. Like with TPT, the way the rules are structured and the way the rules are set up, that's kind of the way to do it, bro. You just literally get the accounts full port and close the trade at like 5K, 6K, 7K, anything under 10K, because as soon as you go over 10K, you go live. So if you close it at 9K, for example, you literally just request the entire fucking $9,000 same day payout. Done. You know what I'm saying? No other firm's going to offer you that. So I think that genuinely is a really good perk of TPT. What's the difference between pro account and simple account? I don't know. Oh, pro, like there's like normal eval, and then there's pro, and then pro plus. Bro, Wacko, please shut the hell up, because I'm gonna like, you're just gonna make me crash out on Dodgy, bro. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna make me call him and then just fucking rip him a new one. Yo, Shinobi, I'm being rage baited in my fucking chat right now, and I was being rage baited earlier this morning too.
What do they say?
They were saying, yo, like we were on Dodgy's stream, and Dodgy said that that you and Shinobi used to be in his Discord and glaze it before you guys blew up.
I banned him from my Discord, bro. I used to pay that motherfucker to do my homework, bro, for
Yeah, yeah.
$20.
No, I know. He was just rage baiting. Like he like fully made it up, but I like started crashing out, and I was like, bro, no fucking way he said that. I was crashing out.
NGL, I low key almost just crashed out.
Yeah.
I don't blame you.
Yeah.
I write it down.
Once I go pro, I full port to 9K, bro. Yes, you do not 9K, but like just anything under 9K. You know what I'm saying?
I turned it down.
You can make 5K and request it. You can make 3K and request it. 2K request it. Whatever. It just has to be under 9.
Why is your jumper silky smooth?
The indicator is ICT HDF candles by Fadi, right here. What the fuck is happening? There we go. ICT HDF candles by Fadi. Wait up. Wait up. Why do you call me wacko? Because that's what your name is in the Discord, is it not? It's literally your name in the Discord, no? Bro is about to get everyone's pro accounts liquidated by full porting. I'm not saying do it. I'm just saying that's how I'm doing it, bro. What? Max contracts you can take it just past my on 50K. It's 6 contracts. Just past my I hope you used code key because if you didn't, you're probably not gonna get paid, bro. Unfortunately, it's like low key the rule. What's the best monitor setup? Do you need a PC to trade on monitor? Is there anywhere? No, you can literally connect your laptop to a monitor. I use an LG. It's like a 47-inch LG, it's like curved 47. I don't know the name of it. I have that, and then I have a vertical MSI monitor, a 32-inch. And then that's my home setup. That's what you guys see here. At the warehouse setup, I have again the same LG monitor, and then I have a Samsung Odyssey up top. So pretty sick. But yeah, you don't need a PC. You could literally just connect fucking HDMI cables to your laptop to the freaking thingy. You know what I mean? Keys back in Asia. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How much commission you get per account bought? I get 10%. Not much, but good way to support me, you know, since I'm streaming here for you guys for free every day. Why haven't you been live lately? I haven't been live lately because I've been building my. We've been moving into the warehouse, and that's been like a fucking insane. You know what I'm saying? Like it's been really, really annoying. Like moving in, getting everything set up because I don't just have to like set up my PC setup. We got to set up like the entire warehouse. So we had to do the flooring, we got to do the paint, we got to do like the little decoration, we got to do all the setups. So when I do go live from there, it doesn't look like shit. You know what I'm saying? So we had a lot of things to set up. It took about like 2.5 weeks of literally just setting things up from the day we moved in. And we made a lot of fucking progress in the warehouse. It looks sick. We still have a lot to do, but we got enough done to where I can like start streaming again. But basically every day in the last 2.5 weeks was me at the warehouse every single day, setting things up, and you know what I'm saying, like moving shit in. So it was kind of hectic, but at least we got it all done now. Oh, also, and then my PC at home, bro, fucking, I got the entire thing upgraded. So I didn't have the PC for about a week while it was at my PC guy, and he was upgrading like everything on it, and like I got like a new case and all that other shit. It looks pretty sick now. But yeah, that's why I haven't been live. But now that everything's set up, I have my home setup done, I have my warehouse setup done. I will be going live every single day, whether it's here in Asia or whether it's in New York. I'm gonna basically be going live for New York almost every single day. So make sure you guys are tapping in for New York. Asia will really just be like, Asia kind of just depends on if it's how slow it is and how it's delivering. Like right now, there's a decent amount happening, and I have a good bias. And I can, I have a pretty good idea of where I want the market to go. So I'll go live. How long I'll stay live, I don't know. But there's going to be some Asias where the market deadass just doesn't move. I won't go live, obviously, right? Because what's the point of us going live? The TPT is showing minimum 5 days trading for passive. Yes, it is. It is, bro. That is the issue. It is 5 days to pass. The thing is, it's not that bad. It's 50% consistency, okay? So if you have a $50,000 account, right? It's $50,000 accounts. You can make $1,500 on one day, and then you can make like $1,490, basically just short of $1,500 the second day. And then for the next 3 days, you just in and out, in and out, in and out, and then that's it. Boom, pass the account. Because just opening and closing a trade within like a millisecond counts as a trading day, okay? So it's not that bad. It really isn't. It's literally just like Top Step, except you got to wait a little bit longer. That's it. It's really, people like make it seem like a big deal, but you guys got to understand, these prop firms have to stay fucking profitable somehow, right? Because keep in mind, TPT, no consistency rule, no activation, 40 fucking % off, no max payout, daily payout, like all these things, they got to have some sort of like, they got to offset it somehow, right? And the way they offset it is by doing the 5-day evals. But I'm giving you guys the actual sauce on how to pass those, because people legitimately spend 5 days like actually trading, trying to pass the evals, which makes it harder to pass. Just do it like you do your top steps, but on the second trade, on the second day, just be just short of that $1,500, right? Or whatever your TP is. Be just short of it. And then for the next 3 days, just millisecond trades in and out, and those count as trading days. For free on here, yep, for free on here, bro, every day. Where's your TP at? On this one, if I get tagged in, it'll be probably the daily high. On YouTube, nice free premium is when you stream for free here. Yep, I will be streaming here for free on YouTube. Premium members get something entirely different. Ow. When we link again, is that Ali? I don't know, bro. Whenever I come back to the city, I'm not gonna be there anytime soon right now. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, there's no volume right now at all, bro. Yo, Shinobi, where are you?
I'm here.
Oh, hello. Hi, bro.
Hello.
Price
Currently
limit,
getting my
it's
ass
at
done in.
707.75. What do you mean you're getting your ass done
Getting done in.
in? Wait, 1 second. I'm gonna def in for this. What strategy do you recommend for passing Apex? For passing Apex accounts and getting payouts? Apex is as simple as it gets. Apex is 1 day pass. So I would just be pretty aggressive with it and try to pass it in 1 day so you're not spending too much time on the eval. Once you actually get to the funded portion, you have to be careful because it's a live trailing drawdown until a certain extent, okay? So that live trailing drawdown is the exact number you need to get over that. Your buffer is your drawdown plus $100. So if you're on a $50,000 account, your drawdown is $2,500, right? You need to get over 52.6K, and that's your buffer. So after 52.6 on a 50K, your trailing thing no longer trails. So I would just take it slow. Size small, take it slow, and just get over that buffer. As soon as you're over that buffer, you're pretty golden. You will have no issues with Apex. After you're over that buffer, I'm telling you, Apex is literally the fucking greatest firm ever. I have 15 $150,000 accounts right now that are all over $8,000 in profit, okay? They're at 158K right now. I don't have to deal with any live trailing drawdown or none of that, nothing. To blow these accounts, I need to lose $8,000. So I can size however I want. I do whatever the fuck I want on these accounts because it's hard to blow 8 bands for me, right? So that's why it's like the single fucking greatest thing ever. Once you're past the buffer, of course. What's the minimum days to pass Apex 2? It's 1 day pass. 1 day pass. You can pass in the same day for Apex. Again, by the way, guys, it's 90% off right now. 90 fucking percent off. You got 2 offices? Yeah, bro. I got my home set up here, and then I have my warehouse set up at the warehouse, of course. Yeah, 90% off with code key on Apex. It's only gonna last until the 2nd, so that's it. What's the 30% max loss rule for denied payout? Curious, just past 5 today. I think you just can't lose more than 30% of your realized profits in one trade. That's it. That's it. But even if you like, those rules only apply for like that 8-day trading period, right? So if you get denied, you just wait. And then for the next 8 days, you just like obviously follow the rules, do it properly, don't fuck up, and you will get paid. Easy. How do you pass it in 1 day? You just like take a good trade with good size. That's it. And you gonna dip hard next week? Yeah, it's possible, but first it needs to go up here. I think Friday should be a bullish day. Actually, Friday will be a bullish day. Mark it, stamp it here. We will. You guys see this daily high? You guys see this daily high right here? This daily high? This candle's gonna flip red to green. Okay, this candle right here will flip red to green. Go ahead and fucking clip it and come back to it and tell me when it does. This candle's gonna go red to green. Max payout for Apex, it depends on the account size. So I'm using 150s. For me, it's 2750 per account for the first 5 payouts, and after the first 5, no max payout. You can do whatever the fuck you want, uncapped. That's how people get the $1 million payouts. Speaking of which, only fucking trading firm, only prop firm that has paid a single trader over $1 million. 3 of them. 3 different traders paid over $1 million each in one payout. Crazy. Then they banned the dude that got the $1 million payout. They banned all of the guys that got $1 million payouts because they don't want them to keep rinsing them, obviously. Be kind of fucking diabolical for everybody else.
Oh my gosh, Steve. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, the key for
Bro, I thought this guy
Dude,
fell, bro. What happened? How does he keep spawning back
He
in?
fell
Dude.
in Glendale, bro. Then he just got back
Dude.
up and fucking.
He just got back up and kept going,
Back
bro.
up in Dallas, bro.
After you fall,
kept
there's
going.
only rise, twin. You can only rise after you fall.
No, you can just stay down for real.
Mm.
TBH. Like I don't want to be that guy, but you could
Bro.
most definitely stay down. For real.
Yep.
But that's
Hate to be that guy
Yep.
though. Hate to be that guy.
Yo. Be fish, twin. Be fish.
Yo, yo, no way you said Soap scammed a mentorship just to have a 340i. Yo, on God, that's actually like the poorest thing ever, bro. Why did Soap do that, bro? What is wrong with him? Oh my God.
The platform is just different, twin. That's literally what he says.
He said what?
That's he says
Because
B58
the B58 platform is better.
Oh my,
So sick.
yo, that is such copium. It's just, bro, you couldn't afford the G80, twin. Holy, bro. Oh my God.
Yeah, we're just you know.
Christian, if
40i
they
is
deny
just
your
better,
first
bro,
payout,
that's
then next payout period you can't request the profit. Yeah, that's true. This is true. This is true. You think gold chart on it? I don't know. I'm not watching gold. What are the limits? 707.75.
Shama to shama.
5-point stop.
Oh, hi, Spippy. Spippy.
What's better, take profit or Apex? They're both good. They're both different rules. It's just kind of like what you prefer. What do you want? Like, what are like? There's fucking millions of firms, bro. Just like you got to work with the one that works with your trading style, right? I can make it like my trading. I can make it work on any firm, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm good anywhere. But some people don't like Apex. Some people prefer take profit. Some people won't like take profit and will prefer Apex. Some people won't like both of them. And they might prefer alpha. Okay? Like personal preference. My advice is look at the rules yourself. See if you might like them. You could try it out as well. You could try out the accounts. Literally every firm right now is running fucking promos. They're all cheap. You just run up an account on any one of them. See if you like it. If you don't like it, don't buy it again. If you do, cool. There you go. Simple. Why does this fucking stupid ass fucking thing keep coming back, bro? Like this is the one I like. Holy shit. Apex has consistency roll during PA stage. Yes, it does. 30% consistency, which is actually pretty good.
Yeah, for the value, bro.
GI.
Bro, it's actually great value because
They're gonna leave you, GI.
They lied to you, GI.
They lied to you, GI. Your government lied to you, GI.
Lied to you. Oh my God.
You're on a sinking ship, GI. Yo, bro, imagine hearing that shit while you're in the fucking trenches of Vietnam, bro. Oh my God, bro.
Oh my God.
I'd be
Bro, honestly,
geeking out.
dude, I would just like
just went.
open a door, shoot first, ask questions later.
There weren't no doors, bro. It was like trench warfare, bro. What are you talking about?
Bro, why did they just drop a nuke on them?
Trenches in Vietnam. It was like jungle warfare.
Yeah, jungle warfare. That's what I mean. It wasn't like an
How
urban
are you supposed to
environment.
clear a jungle, cuh?
Yeah, well,
Get
yeah,
trapped
you
and shit and fucking
you
crazy
gotta
shit.
dig fucking foxholes and shit. You gotta be in the trenches, like, and you know what I'm saying, like shit like that,
Did they
bro.
train you for that in the
Shit
army?
like
Key?
type shit.
Yeah, they did. Now you can't even do shit like that anymore, bro. If you do trench warfare, bro, there's gonna be a fucking flying drone with a bomb that's gonna. You guys see the Ukraine?
Come straight into there.
Yeah, you guys see the Ukraine videos where they're like in a trench, right? And they're just chilling in the trench waiting to like shoot somebody. And then they hear the fucking bomb drone pulling up on top of them, bro. And they just gotta like sit there hella silent and still.
Oh my why? Oh my why?
Yo, why don't they just shoot? Well, every time I see that, why don't they just shoot at the drone? Why do they try running away? Like you're not
Because
gonna
it's still
outrun it. They
gonna
drop-
bro, the drone is next to them. It's gonna blow up, bro. What are you talking about? It's still blowing up. Whether you shoot it or whether you don't shoot it, it's gonna blow up. You're in the blast radius, you're still dead.
Oh God, twin.
Yo, you would fall in the front lines, the first man down probably, bro, with your
Dude, I
IQ,
would
with your
not,
fighting
bro.
IQ, bro.
Dude,
would
Bro,
fall.
bro. If I'm going down, bro, I'm taking out someone who's next to me with me, bro. Zero chance I'm going out with a negative KD, bro.
Bro, you
Zero
yeah.
chance, bro.
Nah, Shinobi, I'm not gonna lie, bro. You're gonna perish, bro, like immediately,
Dude,
bro.
I'm not
Like,
perishing, bro. Dude, I'm not perishing. You have no idea, bro.
bro,
I'm
you're
going to be the
fighting.
most.
Your like war IQ is ass. You're gonna like look at the bomb
Dude, my
drone
war
one
IQ
feet
is not
from you.
ass. You know how much Ready or Not
My
I've played,
war.
bro?
Bro, you're gonna look
You
at
know
a
how much
dr-
COD I've
listen,
played?
listen. You're gonna look at a
you
bomb
look at his
drone
body
1
count?
foot away from you, and you're gonna shoot it, and then that's how
Oh.
you're gonna perish, bro. The worst way to
No,
go
I'm
out.
not, bro. No, I'm not. I'm gonna be like, yo, Key, do I shoot this shit or not? And you're gonna be like, no, don't go near it. And I'll be like, I bet. And I'm gonna walk around it. I'd go around.
You'd go around.
I turned it down.
Wait a minute.
I turned it down.
If I really need to get it out, I
Yo, I have 2 accounts on Apex. Thinking about getting one more. Should I capitalize on the 90% discount or the TBT 40% discount? Good question. Let me tell you guys something, okay? Listen, Apex is a firm with like unique rules, okay? And some of them are fucking really difficult, and they make it really difficult to actually trade the firm, okay? It has to be that way because just like I said with TPT, they have to have something to offset all the good shit so that they don't go bankrupt. So with Apex, you have the live trailing drawdown, which offsets the 20 accounts that you can buy and stack, right? Now, I would never, ever only have 2 or 3 or 4 or even 5 accounts on Apex. The only way Apex makes sense is if you use it and you actually exploit the good rules, which is the stacking multiple accounts. So if you're on Apex and you have 2 accounts, what the fuck are you doing? Just go trade Top Step. It's an easier firm with easier rules. If you have less than 5 accounts or you're planning to buy less than 5 accounts, don't trade on Apex. The only way Apex makes sense is if you go over 5 accounts, if you buy like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and above. That's the only way Apex makes sense. If you're not going to do more than 5 accounts, go with TPT. Better firm to do that with. If you're not going to exploit the scalability of Apex, do not use it. It's that simple. I tell this to everybody, bro. There's got to be certain ways that you use certain firms, bro. You know what I'm saying? 6, 7, yeah, exactly. So, yeah, don't use Apex if you're only gonna stack 3 or 4 accounts. It's fucking pointless. That's not what it's meant to do. TPT 40% is always going on. Yeah, it is, but TPT is right now. It's not only 40% off, but it has no activation fee as well. Why does DOT make sense? You have a link. Yes, they're in my bio. It's the first link in my bio. Right here. Like if you just scroll down in the description of this live right here, you guys will see TPT. The code for TPT is KEY. KEY. That'll give you 40% off, no activation.
or like a Bucky's.
Oh, Bucky's
No.
is far. Wait, no, that's far.
It's not that cool.
Yo, I remember when I used to go to Houston for like this one summer camp, bro. We always used to stop at
Yeah.
Bucky's and get some fudge. Oh my god, Shinobi, you are the type of guy to get fudge. Shut the fuck up, bro. Please. Damn, bro. Like, shut up. I've heard it all, bro. I turned it down.
I write it down.
I turned it
I want to
down.
milk. I want to
I go to school for a decade. I turned it down.
Who said
It was
that?
offering me like 10, 15 million. Like that.
I gotta go there and study that for a decade.
I turned it down. I'd rather do this rat shit. Yeah,
Bro,
feel
who
me?
said that? Oh my God.
That's some shit Solomon would say.
If I really need to get it out, I write it down.
Yo, you know what? I actually need to write down the N word right now, bro, because I need to get it out.
Cool.
Twitter.
Wait, where's my
Yeah.
fucking book?
Twitter, Twitter, Instagram.
Dude, I can't find my book, bro. No, I need to write this shit down before I really let it out.
Oh,
This is a really funny TikTok. Who the fuck is Craig _ CIA _ Trader, bro?
Yo, that shit is funny. That page is
Oh,
so
bro.
niche.
What the fuck? He just posted a
yeah.
new
If you know, you know, bro.
a new
If you know, you
new
know,
video
bro.
saying CIA traders Comney, Shitnobi, Tristan the Wizard, NQ Craig, Cold Trades, AB Trades, bro. CIA Trades. Dutch has followed me. I am now in the big leagues. That isn't the real Dutch.
What are we looking for trade? I don't, bro. I was trying to get filled down there, and I'm not filled yet, so I don't know what the hell this thing is doing right now. I wanted the 4-hour high. I wanted it to go lower, take my limit, and then go straight to this 4-hour high, but it seems it might be doing that before it takes my fucking thing. Slight. Oh shit, bro, Slight. I'm gonna get to you, bro. I'm telling you, I've been way too busy setting up the warehouse and shit. I'm gonna get to you, bro. I promise I'm gonna get to you soon. It's a lifetime too, though. The 40% no activation fee is lifetime. Yes, it is. What about using Apex for your first payout? I think you mentioned that in one of your reels. I think it's great for your first payout. You just gotta use it properly, bro. That's like what I'm trying to tell you. You just gotta use it properly. That's it. As long as you use it properly, then fucking great. People, the issue is people don't really know how to trade certain firms, and then they get bad experiences, and then they're like, oh, bro, this is the worst firm ever because they didn't get their fucking payout. Like, bruv, you broke like 6 of the 7 rules. So, like, what are you complaining about? You know what I mean? I've not traded demo, made money. You think I should get prop account? Wait, what? Like, you have traded demo or you have not? Can you explain the buffer thing for Apex accounts again, please? It's your buffer that you need to request a payout is literally just your drawdown plus $100. That's it. That's all it is. Low-key, wish I heard that before copying a 250K from Apex. I mean, the only option you have now is to buy either 5 more or you just, I guess, you just full send it on that 250K. But make sure you use code key, because if you didn't use code key, that shit ain't going anywhere, bro. You have to use code key. That's like the good luck charm. Did trading just become boring and top/bottom taking is just more fun or what? No, bro. It's just like the way that I was normally trading was just ineffective for the current conditions. So I'm now using this model, which is a more accurate model, which is seeing better results. You know, simple as that. What you looking at for NQ? I already answered that. If one has not made money demo, no point in getting prop firm account. Yeah, you should probably trade demo first and like have a system and like a strategy, right? Before you go buying a prop account. Buying a prop account isn't going to do anything for you. What's the buffer? If I pass 50K eval and make 2K profit, 52K balance, can I withdraw 2K or do I need 52? You need 52.6K before you can withdraw. So once you get to 52.6K, your trailing drawdown goes to 50 and it stops there. It no longer moves from there. So yeah, that's kind of how it is. Okay, this shit is doing absolutely nothing, bro. Like, what are we doing here? How much do you risk on your 150K account? I risk $100 to $200 per trade. Max. Yo, Tig.
Yeah.
Tig, have you been a fish or no?
Be honest though.
Oh yeah, of course I'm a fish.
No, you're capping.
Fish, of course.
Bro, fish, why are you capping to a fellow fish like this?
Fish, listen, I've been like on the low though.
On the low though? Like, what do you mean?
Structure and develop.
What's your best fish though, fish?
Like, as in, it's like legendary, but it's not like rainbow or anything. You know what I mean?
Fish, bro. You need to be like Shadow by now. What are you doing?
Bro, I just can't fish enough.
What are you talking about? You can't fish enough. Of course you can.
Dude,
You're just not
it's
working
like-
hard enough, young blood.
Oh,
How would you recommend scaling if I want to get to 7 to 10 accounts in the future? Do you still recommend starting off with TPT 5 accounts max, then transition to Apex or what? I think it's easier to request the payout. Like, I think it's easier to get the payout from TPT. Yeah, I think it's way easier. So if you want to do 5 TPTs, get paid out, and then switch over to Apex 20 accounts, because 20 accounts like is pretty expensive, right? Relative, kind of expensive. But yeah, that's probably what I would do. I would start off with 5 TPTs. Code key though, make sure you use code key, because if you don't, you're not going to be able to get paid out. So you start off with that, get paid out, and then you switch over to Apex. Again, same deal, code key, then you get paid out again. You take anything yet? Yeah, I took one 3-point stop loss. That's it. And this was the move that I was anticipating, and it just fucking happened. So GG's. Cooked, bro. Cooked. Fucking cooked. Absolutely fucking cooked.
The trailing drawdown doesn't fuck me, but I'm holding on my funded account, which is this.
Yo,
and I'm
Shinbooby, did
holding on
you
my-
wait?
Nobody saw that, right? Nobody saw
Shinbooby,
that?
dude, that's
Wait,
yeah,
what are you
You
saying,
didn't
Key?
see that?
did you wait? Are you still in it?
Yeah, I'm still in
Fire.
it. I took profit on my Apex evals
Hey,
because of the
you're
trailing
lying.
though.
Yeah.
Did
All
you
right,
see
good.
that, Sig?
so nice.
Can you explain CE real quick? CE is literally just the midpoint. Like, if I go up here and I draw out a fair, let's say this is a fair value gap. You see that middle line? That's the CE, bro. So CE here is 23,985. It's literally just the 50%, the midpoint. That's all it is. Very, very simple maths. Quick maths, brev. Bro, no shot, man. Like, no shot. Made the exact move I was looking for. You guys literally saw me draw this entire move out. I said boom, and then I said boom. And this is exactly what's going on right now, bro. Insane work. What prop firm do you recommend for someone who's beginner using one account? I would probably recommend Alpha. Alpha is probably the only one I would recommend for beginner using one account. And Alpha is also code key, KEY. You get the best discount. You always take a trade off of FVG. Not always, but usually yes. Like the most common PD array. You know what I mean? Hold on. Let me take a call real quick, guys. Um, healthy retracement. This is gonna go higher, bro. I told you guys. This is like this daily is flipping red to green. We're going to push up all day tomorrow. Or we're at the bare minimum, we're at least taking this previous day high. Like this previous day high right here is getting taken. Only issue right now, we don't have like a higher time frame like fair value gap or anything that we're pushing out of. Like there's nothing here. So I wanted to see like at least this 15-minute gap, but it fucking edged it. Stupid idiot market, bro. Edged the gap. Sure. Yo, Verona. By any chance, like, what the hell are you talking about, bruv? Is there any way you could, like, clarify real quick for me, like, what the fuck you're on about? Because I really don't know. I'm not too sure. Yeah, I don't know. I'm hoping it comes down into the 15-minute gap because it's where I would like an entry. I would prefer that. Please. And then, yeah. After that, yeah, Asia highs and then daily highs. For sure, 100%. Asia highs, daily highs. Getting taken. Mark it. Stamp it. Nah, I'm kidding, Brona. You don't think it's gonna go fill the VIBs? The VIBs. What? What the fuck is a VIBs? Volume imbalance? Is that what you mean? Oh, these? I mean, it might, like, I'm not gonna... Look, bro, I don't fucking predict things, right? I'm literally just reacting to things. Same way I have... these levels are here because of a, you know, there's a fucking really, really precise level here that I expect price amounts from. In here, inside of this range, I have no idea what the hell I might do. Do I want a long here? No, because I would like to see this 15-minute gap sponsor the low a day. Like, at least, I would like to see that sponsor low a day. And this could now serve as engineered liquidity for a price to come through, sweep it, and then go higher from there. So that's why I wouldn't want a long inside of this range. I don't really care for it. Right? So we'll see what this does, but I'm thinking this is engineered liquidity for a resweep. What do you do in your free time? I need new hobbies. Well, nowadays I literally just go to the warehouse to like just set shit up at the warehouse. It's my fucking, that's what my entire free time consists of. Yo, the warehouse, bro, by the way, guys, I got a GT3 RS wing and I'm gonna use it as a shelf. Real GT3 RS wing that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna fucking put it up on the wall somehow, and I'm gonna use it as a shelf. Like there's like companies that make like fake GT3 RS wings. I got a real one, real GT3 RS wing, fat ass wing. Boom, going straight into the wall. You're gonna use it as a shelf. It's gonna be sick. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, like, fucking out. Stupid ass message. So I passed 150k TPT, no problem. Now I'm making a couple hundred. Don't trade again for day. And don't trade again for day. Any help on how to trade trade it to make more profit? Just use heavier size. If you're only making a couple hundred, you should be using like heavier size. I really need help to pass this TPT so I can full port next weekend. Bro, just fucking take a... Bro, I literally just gambled the fucking evals. I guess, you know what I'm saying? Either I took like... some of them actually took good trades. This one here, right now, low-key, if I was on TPT eval, I would just like long as it comes down into like one of these gaps. So 1, 2, 3, this gap right here, this one, I would long this for the TPT evals. Do you full port evals? Yeah, I do. I do. It's not something that I recommend to somebody who is not like consistently profitable, but I unfortunately cannot sit there and waste time on evals. So I just full port them because to me, I can reset them. That like isn't gonna fucking burn a hole in my pocket. I can reset 20 evals for fucking days. You know what I'm saying? And I'll be completely fine. But to somebody who's like new and isn't profitable yet, I don't recommend full porting them. I would recommend taking some time with it. But if you've gotten paid out before and you're consistently getting paid out, then I would recommend you probably full port evals. You probably don't have time to sit there and fucking trade an eval for days and days or whatever. You know what I'm saying? You want to see the Tay warehouse vlogs? Bro, there's nothing to fucking vlog, bro. It's like low-key like kind of decent right now. Like mid. I'm not happy enough with it. We also we're reaching out to this company in the Netherlands actually. Company out in the Netherlands that sells one-to-one replica F1 cars. They don't have like engines in them or anything like that, obviously. But they're like one-to-one replica F1 cars, and I'm trying to buy one and put it on the wall. I think that'd be insane. Like the wall on the side, we have an empty wall on the side. Fucking F1 car right there. Imagine that. Insane. So we're trying to get it right now. There's like a bit of a language barrier and a time difference and all this other shit, so it's taking some time, but we're that's what we're trying to get right now. I think that would be really, really sick. What's good, bro? How's it going? How long you been trading? It will be 7 years in November. This November, it'll be 7 years. Been a while. Been a long time coming. I want to do that, but my future wife will probably hate that shit. Gotta find a quiet, obedient girl. Now, my girl likes cars, bro, so, like, she would love it as much as I do. Sick.
Well, for starters, me and Key got a warehouse.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh.
Wait, are you guys still there? By the
I
way?
forgot about
I'm
Edo.
here right
I
now.
forgot about
Shinobi, you
Edo.
getting the
What?
wing out?
No, I'm not getting the wing out
Why? Why are you not getting the wing out?
because my car doesn't have a wing.
Bro, we'll put one on it, bro.
Ooh, so this
So the-
means it's a G80.
Nah, I'm just kidding. We're not putting a fucking wing on that shit.
X3M competition, I'm calling it right now. I win.
He literally
Yo,
sent
so
it in
I'm
the
a little
chat
slow.
earlier.
Don't leak it, but I
Wait, wait,
sent
wait.
it in the chat.
Yeah.
Oh, did you?
He sent his car in the chat.
Wait, you already bought that? Or that's what you're
I
looking
don't think,
Send this
Would he
send it
film it?
again, bro. I didn't see it. Bro, there's fucking
bro.
bunch of fucking
Oh my
goon
god.
shit.
bro.
Yo,
for fit.
Salman's an
You know
actual
fucking-
moron.
What the fuck are you talking about, Salmon?
Yo,
It's
here,
SRS, bro.
here's
Yeah,
here's Salamander. I'm gonna tag you in it, okay?
Okay.
There you go, bro.
Wow.
Wait, when are y'all announcing it? When are y'all announcing it? official-
Mm.
Oh, when it comes in.
This shit is
Oh.
tough, twin. This shit
Is
is
the
tough.
540i is low-key better though. I'm not
Yo,
gonna
yo,
lie.
yo, yo, yo,
Like,
Salman, you know what you really gotta peep? You gotta peep like through the wheels, like look behind the wheels.
Okay.
Oh, the CCB. Oh my gosh, the carb. Yeah, you okay need those to stop pushing up. Come on.
Yo, why didn't you get the
Dude.
never mind. This is cool. I like this car. Dude, this
Oh,
is
dude,
tough.
that C8. Dude, that C8 is so fire, bro. Damn.
Dude, congratulations on your C8, Shinobi. You got
Oh,
the
congrats,
ZR1X,
Shinobi.
Dude,
bro.
it's not a
That
fucking.
C8 is actually so
C8
tough. Bro.
ZR1X.
Bro,
That's hella
bro, I
tough.
really like the fucking baby blue on the
Yeah.
C8, bro. This shit's tough, twin.
Yeah, bro, the Miami Blue. Hell yeah, bro.
Bro.
Miami Blue C8, bro. You got to respawn, bro.
Reincarnate, twin.
Yeah, bro. You got to fall in
gotta
Glendale
prestige,
after
bro.
that,
You gotta
bro.
prestige, bro.
It's crazy work.
Dude, I have to wait to buy a car now, Key. Bro, I literally was on the way to the dealership.
Bro, I'm gonna like text you some sketchy shit, okay? Don't worry, bro. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna get you right, twin.
Mm.
I need to see you in
Okay.
this. I need to see you in this GTB, twin.
Dude.
Yo,
Bro.
why are 458s going for the same price as 488s? Like, what the fuck is the
Dude,
problem here?
Key, apparently people are saying that it's gonna be like a LaFerrari archetype.
What do you
Or
mean?
like a no, that was a shit comparison. Like what's an expensive car? Like a Gallardo SV.
Did you say
Like they're
Gallardo,
like
bro?
you're saying they're gonna make one?
No, like you know how like some of the old Lamborghinis go for a lot of money?
Mm-hmm.
Like everyone's
Yeah,
saying that
the Gallardo like Super Leggera.
Gosh.
No, those don't go for that
Shit.
much. Those shits are chopped,
You
bro.
don't know
They
that?
they go
Oh,
for like
okay, shut up.
120K, bro.
AB, bro.
I might just
AB,
pop
what's
out
the
with
stage
those
two?
No, they go, they go,
What's the
they go
stage two?
for, bro. Those go for 120 with like hella miles on it. But if
No.
they usually go for like
It's
180, 190.
yeah, that's like
Maybe-
not that
maybe-
much,
maybe-
bro.
maybe-
That's the thing.
in
It's
the
like
event, I'm gonna
like a Mercy
You
SV.
don't even
Those
know
go
what
for
that
a
car
lot.
is. You don't even know what that car
AB,
is.
Dude, that
AB,
shit
what's
is
a stage
a
two? Can you
can,
please
bro.
tell me? AB, can you please tell me what a stage two is?
Shut the fuck up, Tim. I literally told you. I literally told you what a stage two. You're trolling me. You're baiting me.
Bro,
Just stop.
this dude, bro.
You're baiting me,
Bro, you
bro.
know stage two is not an item, bro. It's not an item that you can buy, twin.
Yo, chat, would I
When
be
did I
yo
ever
yo
say
chat,
that?
would I be a
What?
fucking idiot if I bought a Urus?
Bro, I was thinking about this shit, Key.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, Salmon, bro. I might have to do it, bro. I might have to do it to him.
Bro, stage 2 plus downpipe is so tough.
I know, bro. That's what I'm saying. I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's bad. I hate that so many people have them, but I low key might just do it, bro. I found a fire one too.
You literally
Bro,
have
they're
an
not
M
too
Light.
bad
I don't
either,
wanna
right?
hear it.
They're like
You have an
180
M
right
Light.
now.
Bro, the one I'm looking at is 210.
Dude, yeah, bro. Like that shit is not bad.
Yeah, not.
Bro,
Just
do you
bro,
pay,
like fucking
sales tax on your
every.
cars?
Yeah, but I paid way less sales tax because for my GT3 I traded in the M5, so I got like a tax credit.
Wow.
Dude, that's the one ass part, bro, Key. Like literally the car that I was buying was 240 and then out the door was 275.
Are you not able to do Montana LLC? I thought you could.
I don't think I can.
In Cali, you can't?
I mean, you can, but like, bro, the logistics behind it is gonna cost the same amount, basically.
Also, Mon to sell his M8 for 10 bands. I mean,
I
to
got
be
one more set.
honest, bro.
Yeah.
To be honest, bro.
Wait.
it might
Wait. Somebody said making 20K a month and leasing Lambo Huracan 3 to 4K payment. Wait, who are you talking? Are you saying I am doing that? Are you talking about me? Or are you saying like other people? Do I fuck with the A12 Superfast? I do, bro. A12 Superfast I think is super tough. The fire ass car. But I don't want an A12 Superfast. Like I'd probably get I don't know. For A12, like I just really want a comp, bro, because I've seen a comp and I'm like, fuck, bro. Like I would not be happy in a Superfast after seeing the comp. Bro, that shit is insane. I probably would be happy. I sound like an idiot, but still. Me? Yeah, you that's what you just said. Making 20K a month and leasing Lambo Huracan. Like are you telling me that I'm doing that or no? That's what I'm asking you. Before I start really like shitting on you. Let me just make sure. Didn't you explain how levels work in comparison to ICT methods? I mean, I use levels like with ICT, right? Like I'm not using levels by themselves. So the levels that I'm using like pair up with PD arrays and that gives me added confluence for the trades. Otherwise, I wouldn't be limiting. I would be waiting for a confirmation. If I just had a random level, I'd be waiting for a confirmation to enter, like a reaction or some sort of price signature. But because I'm pairing them up with different PD arrays, obviously I can, use my limits the way I do. You using levels or bar trading? What the fuck is bar trading? For me, no, that is stupid. If you're making 20K a month, and you don't have a personal brand or like some bullshit that you can like shill to kind of like make more money, then you probably should not be leasing a fucking $4,000 a month fucking Huracan. You should probably be investing your 20K into places where you can make more money. And then once you're at like 40, 50K, then you go treat yourself to a fucking, nice little toy.
I'm gonna just up
Yo.
it now to fucking maybe like.
Yo, I just know the motherfucker that sold it to you was just so happy, dumbass, like you bought it.
Dude,
Wait,
I
what?
bought it at a fair price. It
What was
just
the price? What was the
depreciated like a
price?
bitch. I paid 90 out the door.
Oh my god, kid.
You
Wow.
got
Bro.
railed.
What year?
Oh my god.
22.
Bro, my boy bought his fucking 21, I think. Yeah, 21. He bought for 68. He bought for 68 with 12,000 miles on it, twin.
When
Bro,
was this though?
somebody
Was
got
this like
jammed.
recent?
Oh my god.
This was a year ago when I got my M5.
All right, fair enough.
Wow.
Did get rigged?
Did you buy it cash? Did you buy it cash?
Mm-mm.
That would be stupid as hell.
Okay.
Nah, low-key though, low-key, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe the Cali market is different. Like the West Coast market is different than the East Coast market. Because
Bro,
I know
when
East.
I was looking, that was the only M8 22 that was listed in California. I mean, in Los Angeles, I meant to say.
Oh, okay, never
That's
mind. Then
so
your
bad.
guys'
That
is
is
fucking yeah. Your guys'
You know how
market
many
is way
M8s they
different.
have, bro? Do you know how many there are,
Dude,
especially
shut
in
your
Glendale?
Armenian ass up.
Dude, there are so many of them, bro. Anywhere you look,
There's so
every
many of them.
block
Why
is
don't
an
you have
M8,
one, Tig?
bro.
Yeah,
Because I'm
yeah.
not a
Oh.
fucking, because I'm not in
There's so
Glendale, bro. I
many, twin.
fell there, bro.
Twin.
I just,
No,
bro,
no, no.
twin,
There's so many, twin. There's so many, twin. Where's
Because I'm not in fucking Glendale, bro. Connect the dots, bro.
dude? I'm gonna buy a 48 just to fucking, and I'm gonna put Tig will fall on the plate.
48?
Yeah, I'm willing to bet money this guy doesn't buy a 488. Yeah, I'm betting against him.
Oh my god, nah,
I'm betting
someone,
against him.
you got it. Oh my god.
All right, twin. How much you want to bet? Let's bet $275,000 that I'll buy one.
Damn. Damn.
Break even on the car.
Yo, don't spend. Yo,
Wait,
hold on. Before you fucking continue, don't tell me you're about to spend 275 on a 488, gang.
No, his
Dude,
dumbass
that's the
probably
out the
is.
door. That's the out the door price.
Okay, what's the
That's what
before out the
price
door?
everything.
What's the before out the door?
245.
Gang, I'm not gonna lie, they're going for like 220, gang, and 220, 230.
Dude, they're about going for like 26.
I'm looking at the. Yo, hold on. Saman, look at this one, bro.
Dude, I need to LLC max, bro, because I don't want to pay 10% at the door.
Yo, what year is the 488?
18.
And how many miles are on it?
13,000.
This one's a little bit. Look at the one I just sent.
Bro, I low-key want to buy a built one. I'm not gonna lie.
No, you're an idiot, bro. Stop.
No, like mod built, like aesthetic mod built.
Oh, yeah, true. Cause like the fucking like Novatech kits on them are kind of
Dude.
like.
Bro, there was what, bro? Cario Motorsports of hell, bro. Bro, this spec is really tough though.
The spec is so fire, twin.
Oh my gosh, bro, just buy a piece that you broke. Fuck. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
You actually have a 328. You have a 328.
Take.
Good. You don't even have a 320. You have a 320 diesel. Diesel.
Oh
What you
god.
Dude, you should put a Gintani exhaust on your 330E.
Oh my god. The GOAT, bro. The GOAT doesn't even drive gas, bro. He drives electric.
You drive a fucking Tesla, bro.
Fucking twink.
I'm not
What
gonna
the
lie,
fuck
bro.
am I
That
doing?
shit is better than a 327E.
Are
Sport
you
Plus.
crazy?
All right. What,
Oh,
Key,
40.
Key, what's the percentage probable chance that Cario Motorsport cars blows up?
Bro, it's not the car.
It
Like
is.
it. Okay. Listen. There was one case of some fucking guy who bought a 1,000 horsepower 720S from them with a fucking stock motor, like 1,000 horsepower stock engine, and he bought it and it blew up. Like motherfucker, I could have told you that shit was gonna blow up before you even bought it, right? Like
Yeah, no.
you,
Yeah,
if you honestly, if you're like concerned, just send it to go get a PPI done, and you'll be fine.
Yeah. Yeah, facts.
You
Yo,
think
someone,
TS
how
can
about
run
you
on
buy
jet
the
fuel?
Wait, if I buy it in Florida but then ship it to Cali, do I still pay Florida
Yeah,
State?
no. You pay where
pay
you
Cali.
pay where you're gonna
Pay
register it.
Cali's.
So like I know there's some states like Virginia, for example. My boy lives in Virginia. If you buy a car in Virginia, you can do Montana LLC without a problem. But my state in PA, you can't do that unless I pay cash. If I pay cash, it's fine. But I'm not dropping 200 bags in cash on
Yeah,
a
fuck
car.
that.
So, you should research Montana LLC because that's like the only way to save on sales tax. If you don't do that, then trade in your car because you get a tax credit when you trade it in. You know that, right?
Okay.
So, like, do you know what they're giving you for your M8? Like, are you trading it in or are you keeping it?
They said they'll give me 72.
Okay, so the car's price is you said 245, right?
Yeah.
245 minus 72 is 173. You pay taxes on 173 as opposed to 245.
Ah, I see. So it would only be 17K.
You have 10% sale. Oh my God, you have 10% sales tax?
Dude, yeah, that's why I'm like, fuck.
Holy fuck, bro. You got a dip. Yeah, you'd have to pay 17K, yes.
That's what I'm saying. I think I'm gonna, because I think I'm actually for real gonna move to Florida in like January.
Yeah, just don't do
Because I
Miami,
was-
gang.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do Fort Lauderdale, to be honest with you.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. Fort Lauderdale,
Oh,
way better,
thank
way
you,
better, way better.
bro, thank you. I thought you were about to move to
Yo,
Brickell,
AB,
bro.
aren't you from like fucking like New Hampshire or something?
NorCal. No, what? I'm from California, twin.
Nah,
AB, bro. Do you have you ever did you hire a CPA yet for all your top step payouts?
I did for like there was a one time, so I hired it for a one time, like right before tax season, just to file my taxes, like right there. That literally ran me like $250 or something, and she low key saved my ass, bro. I was able to write off like I think all of my eval expenses, bro.
Yeah.
All of my
Dude,
so that was hella
AB,
clutch.
you gotta
Yeah.
prepare, bro, for what we talked about, bro. Honestly, like, bro, you can't be in Cali, bro. Genuinely, like, you actually can't.
Yeah,
Like,
That
bro,
yeah, I
works.
know.
I was running
I
the
actually
numbers
got
with my CPA, bro. It's gonna save me if so this is the whole reason why I need to move is because if I stay in California for
yo, what's good? How do you have 100 people watching and no one chatting? I don't know, bro. You guys are low-key fucking losers, bro. Like, I like the New York stream crowd way better. I'm about to like stop streaming Asia because the Asia crowd, you guys just like don't talk. You guys show no love, bro. It's like I get, you know what I mean? Might just have to do New York only.
got saved because I low key fucked up on my taxes because my parents have me as a dependency on their taxes because this is before they knew that I was making money trading. So like my last taxes, I guess my parents actually paid that shit, bro.
We're tired. Yeah, good point. Good point, actually. I know you're not hating, bro. I know. Everyone's asleep to wake up. Yeah, that's true. What do you think of A12 Superfast? Bro, I like the A12 Superfast, bro. I do. But I mean, like, you're gonna tell me, yo, guys, by the way, wait, let me show you this. This is the Urus I'm thinking about. I'm probably like, let me show you two cars. Two cars I'm thinking about getting, okay? I'm gonna change the screen so we can see that, because obviously nothing's fucking going on this bullshit. Let me change the screen real quick. Wait. Oh, Twizzy. Oh God, what have I done? Oh God, what have I done? Oh God, what the fuck have I done? Oh, twin. Oh, twin. This is not okay. Oh, wait. Wait, did I do it? No. No? Okay, that's gonna have to, like, figure itself out. All right. Look, this is car number 1, okay? Peep this. Urus. I know a lot of people have them, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucking with this one. I'm really fucking with this one. Reason why? This is like my brand colors too. This is Cobra Trading colors, blue and yellow, or black and yellow. This is paint. This is not wrap. And then peep the interior. So look, first of all, look at this fat booty back here. Then hold up. This is the best part though. This is really the best part. Look at the fucking interior. We got the yellow fucking leather all around. Look at the seats. We got Alcantara down the middle and yellow leather on the side. Fire. Urus on the fucking seat backs. Panoramic roof. Like all the packages. Literally all the packages. And then we got the 3 seats back here with the Urus on the seat backs over here as well, right? This is car number 1. This is 214, 12,000 miles, 2022, like, you know, whatever, all that good stuff. This is car number 2. This is like completely fucking complete 180, bruv. 600 LT. Okay, 600 LT blue. If you guys know the kid on TikTok, Alex Garage, this is his car. He just sold this. 600 LT. Only issue is I don't know how reliable these are. But keep this. Senna seats, bro. Fucking Senna seats. The thing is, bro, look at these seats. Can you see yourself sitting in these shits for more than like fucking, I don't know, like 30 minutes? Look at these. These are like, oh my goodness, bro. They look sick, but yeah, Senna seats on the 600 LT, bro. These will not be comfortable. And let me preface, I drive a lot. Like, I enjoy driving. I put miles on my... I'm not a fucking, like, an average supercar owner where I put, like 5,000 miles on it for, like, 5 years. Bro, I drive the piss out of my cars. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't give a fuck. So, this car is sick. And what's the packages? Like, look, MSO everywhere. Front fenders. These are the racing seats. Obviously, like, the Senna seats. You can see like all the other packages, but yeah, pretty sick. Blue with like yellow stitching on the interior, yellow seat belts and shit like that. This one is, I think this car was 239. So this is like 20K more. It's like 20K more. Only 7,000 miles. It's like new. But bro, I don't know how reliable McLarens are. Like, I hear too much bullshit about McLarens. Like, this is uncomfy. I can't drive it that much. And I don't know if I could drive it hard because these break. Like, they fucking break. So this shit will not break. And this, like, I could sell my M3. So right now I have the GT3 and I have an M3. I could sell both of them and just get one of these because this is a daily. This is like, it has everything. It's fast and it'll fit everybody in it. It's big, it's practical, and it's sick. You know what I mean? So I think this is like a really good option for me right now that I could do. So I might do this. I know the McLaren's more aura, but like right now I'm not even worried about aura because low key, bro, like I could just keep this. I keep this for like a year and I'm just going to pop out with a 765 LT. Like fuck a 600 LT. I'm going to pop out with a 765, bro. It's like a temporary fix. You know what I'm saying? But I think this is fire, bro. Like, dude, I just can't get over this interior. I think the interior is so tough. Banana car. And like, I could just put Cobra Trading stickers, like Cobra Trading livery on it because it literally matches my brand colors already. You know what I'm saying? Fire. So that was my plan. What do you guys think, bro? What do you guys think? Which car? McLaren more aura. Urus is definitely more for you. Car number 1 is nicer. Hard and uncomfortable. Yeah, get the Urus. Rented in Dubai and bro, it's gas. I know the McLaren's gas. Like, I'm not denying that it's gas, bro, but I just... Urus, right? Okay, yeah, I thought so too.
1 or 2 times a day, and I still get like consistent views for my follower ratio.
Dude, but the engagement
Bro,
on videos that I get is
Yeah, I'm gonna reach out to this dealership tomorrow, and then I'm gonna work something out with them because I think I'm gonna make a move on this Urus, bro. Like probably in the next like month or so. Even though, like, I'm not gonna lie, I've shat on Uruses so much because, like, everybody drives them, but everybody drives like a shitty one, bro. This one I think is so sick. I've been in so many Uruses. I've been in probably like been in probably 6, 7 Uruses. There hasn't been an interior I've seen like that one. That Alcantara, so fire, bro. OMG, brev. OMG. Why not get the SQ8? It's the same engine. Well, first of all, it's the RSQ8, not the SQ8. And the RSQ8, they don't spec it out like this, bro. You can't get a RSQ8 that's like these unique colors with the fucking unique interiors and shit. Like, you know how hard it is to find an RSQ8 like that? RSQ8's just gonna be like more like subtle and like lay low. You know what I'm saying? It'll be like, it won't be super bright colors. Also, I don't think super bright colors look good on R8s or RSQ8s anyways. You know what I mean? That's it. Yeah, but you're gonna miss your GT3. You can't tell me Urus is more fun. No, I'm not gonna tell you that at all. The Urus is not more fun than a GT3. But I think I can put aside like having more fun right now and just get the Urus. Also, the GT3, because I've driven it so much, it's getting to the point where it's gonna start depreciating soon. Like I put 7,000 miles on my GT3 since I've had it. That's a lot of miles, okay? I haven't even owned it a year. I haven't even owned it like 8 months. So, that's the only thing is it's getting up to the miles where the depreciation would start hitting. And so I kind of want to just get out of it before I lose too much money on it and just switch over into something else. I get the Urus for a little bit. Then I go get a fucking like 992 GT3. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? That's my plan. BTC? What are you saying, bro? What about BTC, gang? Are you telling me are you giving me a signal to buy BTC right now? I don't look at crypto, gang. So like wrong person to like recommend that to. Can you not fucking spam BTC in my chat, weirdo? Not fucking looking at it. What's wrong with you? Kids are weird, bro. Do you use order flow? No, I do not. Not use order flow, gang.
Clickbait, but it's just like engaging titles on your videos, you know?
Yeah.
Bro, I mean, if you guys looked at the very first video, like when I first started posting, like here, let me see how long ago that.
Do you like C8? Hell no, bro. I already had a C8. I had a C8 a long time ago. When they first came out, I had a C8. Like literally when they first came out, when they were still going for $90,000 and $100,000, I had one. Can you explain your trade idea, bro? I just got on stream. Well, I was gonna try to look for a long down here in this area. I still am. I would like a long in this area, and then I would like for this to be low day. Saw your Instagram post. Can you explain again how to make it big? What do you mean make it big? That was a little sus, bro. Why are you asking me how to make it big? Like what? Like, yo, twin. What do you mean by that? how to have multiple accounts like you have. Bro, simply just buy them. Right now they're all 90% off, so like this is the time to buy them. If you use code key, literally all of the Apex accounts, every single size, 90% off, and the activation fees are like dirt cheap. So you just wait for times like this, and then you strike. You know what I mean? Wait and strike. You got this. You got us on the levels for NFP. When's NFP? NFP is next week, right? Yeah, next week. Yeah, next week on Friday. Yes, I got you guys next week for NFP on Friday. I will be live. I will be live. I'm trying to get a friend group like y'all's for real. Grinding alone sucks. What kept you going first starting out? What kept me going first starting out? Honestly, it was like the potential. That's what kept me going first starting out. Because when I first started out, bro, funny, I paper traded, right? I paper traded. And with paper trading, you can use like whatever kind of size you want and like, you know what I'm saying? I basically saw what was possible through paper trading. Granted, it wasn't realistic, but I saw what was possible. Like I put like $100,000 shares into some shit, and I made like fucking like 10 bands, and which is 10%. But I was like, holy shit, bro, this is insane. And so I was like, okay, there's like potential for me to make a lot of money doing this. And so I was like, okay, fuck it. You know, there's a lot of potential in this. I really, really like this. Let me see where I could go with this. And then once I started getting like better and better and better, I really didn't have anybody that was doing it with me. I was basically just losing and like fucking doing this shit by myself on my own. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, once I got like a little bit better, I started basically documenting my journey on Twitter. And I ended up like making some online friends, which ended up becoming like some of my best friends. So yeah, that's kind of like how I got to where I'm at, how I developed like my friend group. My friend group has like grown and shrank over time, but there's like a few. I keep my circle like pretty small for the most part. You know what I mean? But yeah, um, I know it like it definitely sucks, you know, doing this shit alone. But if you are like, if you're like, you know, at the point where you kind of don't really have any friends or anything like that, bro, the best thing you could do is join a community. Like literally the best thing you could do is join a community. This is not me trying to like fucking, you know, shill out my community. Like you don't have, it doesn't have to be mine. It'd be anybody's, bro. Anybody's. Just join a community. I guarantee you'll find like-minded people inside of a Discord community that you will probably make friends with. I have friends from my first ever Discord that I ever joined. I have friends that I talk to this day that I came up with. You know what I mean? Planning to buy for next week NFP and do it for one day. Yeah. By the way, guys, NFP is next week. So if you want these accounts, the sale ends before NFP. Okay, the sale ends on Tuesday. The 90% off. So make sure you guys get the accounts using code key before NFP. Otherwise, you're cooked. Do you trade only prop firms, or do you trade personal account as well? I trade personal account as well. Right now, I'm mainly doing prop firms because I have my TPT accounts, then I have 20 Apexes, so it's a lot to manage. So I'm just doing those two for now. Is the term on your porch like 48 months, or is it different term lengths for supercars? No, I think it's 60 or 72. 60 or 72, one of the two. Like a normal term, bro. 150k accounts. Yeah, I have 150k accounts. I like them the best, but you could do like whatever. It's like up to you. All the accounts are pretty solid. But I like 150s. Just don't do hundreds. Hundreds are garbage. Are you anticipating London to manipulate that Asia low and then expand higher? I would like for it to, yes. I would like for it to manipulate this Asia low here into the 15-minute gap, and then 15-minute gap I can get longs out of. That's the best look for me here, I guess. It would be mad funny if you caught the 2002 gold Honda and posted it as your daily, bro. Why would that be so funny? How do you journal your trades if you still do at all to help you get better? Like, what do you look for? I journal everything on TradeZella, bro. Like literally on TradeZella. And it does it all for me. I basically the metrics, I track certain metrics. The metrics that I really want to track is when were my most profitable trades, what times, and I used so like I'll give you guys an example. I used to initially trade with a 10-point stop loss, right? And then I realized that if the trade went over 15 points into the green, into profit, and then came back to break even, that it would go and hit my 10-point stop loss. So what did I do? As soon as trade goes 15 points into profit, I go break even, right? And that's something that's a metric that I tracked by backtesting. Okay, I also get to track my win rate. I get to track, my average R multiple, my profit factor, things like that to determine if you have a truly profitable strategy on paper, right? Not just a temporarily profitable strategy, but a real, true profitable strategy. Could you give us an example of a trade you would take on your current chart? I've done several ICT courses in the past, but people trade different ICT concepts. From what I can see, they're looking at the FVG, but I don't see no T figures. This is a 15-minute gap. From this entry is from a 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. My average RR is usually about 10 plus. So for this trade, for example, I'm targeting the daily high here. So that's 10.8. Now, if I go up to the previous day high, we're looking at a 20R. So that's usually what my average R multiple is, about 10R. What's your win rate with this new strategy and average RR? My win rate with the new strategy is about 40%, 40% give or take. Average RR is, again, like I just said, 10R. Guys, I'm going to keep my limits here. Okay, you guys see the limits, 707 entry, 702 stop loss. Not really looking to enter anything else for the remainder of the day. I'm only looking for longs. Only fucking looking for longs. I'm not shorting. Only looking for longs. So I will, I'll be looking for entries there. If I find another entry or anything like that, obviously that gets posted in the Discord that you guys, it's in the description as well. So if you want entries outside of the stream, I send all my trade ideas with the weekly outlooks and all that stuff. I send it in the Discord, okay? So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for New York. Have a great rest of your night, gang.